How can you make your iPhone more private? Let me show you how it works or what options you have available. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing for similar tutorials in the future as well. So inside of your settings app of the iPhone, you can check out your different menus, but there is one literally for privacy and security. And this is mostly where you can change your privacy settings and make it even more private. So once you're inside in here, so many different categories of options to choose from and choose between. So you can basically just, for example, if you believe that you want to make your phone private in terms of the location settings, you can go there and decide that some apps perhaps are not supposed to access your location anymore. Or perhaps you want to change the style of your location, so perhaps you don't want it to allow it all the time, like always, or perhaps you want to turn off the precise location, so only the approximate location will be known. But that is just the first thing. Outside of that, we have the tracking and we have the access to these different services, for example, to camera, microphone, photos, and you can decide which applications can access those services and which not, right? So many different things which you can go through and switch between. So it depends on in which direction you want to take this and in which way you want to make your phone more private. But that is, the place, the hotspot, right, of these settings. So if there is something which I did not mention or you wanted to see it from a completely different angle, then let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss it. And I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.